Welcome to my project bazaar. Our project title is Proactive Spectrum Handoff Protocol for Cognitive Radio Ad Hoc Network and Analytical Evaluation. Let us see the abstract of our project. The wireless sensor networks are increasingly being deployed in the secure critical applications because of their inherent resource constraint characteristics. They are prone to various security attack, and black hole attack is a type of the attack that seriously affected data collections. To configure that challenging and active detection based security and trust routing scheme named Active Trust is proposed for wireless sensor network. The most important innovation of the Active Trust is that it avoids black hole through the active creation of a number of detection routes to quickly detect and obtaining the nodal trust and thus improving the data routing security. More importantly, the generation and the distribution of the detection routing are given in active trust scheme, which can fully use the energy in non-hotspots to create as many detection of routers as needed to achieving the desired security and the energy efficiency. Both the comprehensive theoretical analysis and the experimental results indicates the performance of active trust scheme is better than the previous studies. Active trust can significantly improving the data routing such as probability and the ability against the black hole attacks and can optimizing the network lifetime. Let us see the flow of our project. First one is a network formation. The network formation containing a node creation. Here I deployed a 25 node of our project. The 25 nodes are static and they does not move because it is a wireless sensor network. Then trust value is calculated. The trust values is calculated on 25 nodes and we are calculating each link stability. Then calculating the energy of our node, then finding the neighbor node using the neighbor discovery algorithm, then finding it is a member of the node. Check the neighbor node list. If it is member of the node, then set the active detection routing path. If it not member of the node, means it will denote the black hole attack. The black hole attack means does not forwarded any data of. Then the active detection routing is finding the next best move and send the communication to the source to destination. Then next best move is finded. Then performance analysis. The performance analysis contains packet limitation, energy consumption. Then our project. Let us see the output of our project. First, open the terminal window. Our project coding in root home project folder is active trust. So type change the directory code is cd space active trust. Then now run the main.tcl file. The command is ms space main.tcl. Now run the project. The trust rule is calculated here. The trust rule is used to find the attacker node. The trust rule containing each node trust values, and that is TR power, lower abnormal leaving and higher bandwidth in CA, losses of BCA that are calculated in trust rule. Let us see the out.nav window. This is zoom in button, this is zoom in button, this is rewind button, this is play backboard button, this is stop button, and this is play forward button, this is fast forward, this is time simulation, and this is speed setup. Now I play the project. Node formation, then active detection routing started. Now this is sensed that this is a sender and this one is a receiver. The sender sends communication to all the neighbors node. The 6 containing the neighbor node of 5, 10, 3, 23. 6 now send communication to 5th node. First it gives the request, then the 5th sends the response, then 6 sends the communication, then 5th sends the acknowledgement message. If 6 find the 10th is an attacker node, so 6 did not send the communication to the 10th node. Then 6 sends a communication to the 3rd node. Here the attackers are 0, 10th node, 24th and 20 and 15th node. The 3 sends communication to the 22 node. The routing path is fine. Then the 22 sends the communication to the 4th. The 3 sends communication to the 23 and 23 sends the 1. Then so the 4th sends the communication to 17. Now the communication is reached. Now I explain the energy graph. This graph containing the proposed energy consumption of our project. This is a throughput of our project. This one is a delay of our project. This one is a packet delivery of our project. The test values contained here. Then the ADPR protocol algorithm is done here. Here I finding the neighbors node, that the x-axis and the distance of calculated here. Then finding the routing table. The routing table containing the node number and next routing node position and velocity. Thank you.